Tumaas na yan, a positive upstroke is your P wave. P ka sa P tayo. Followed by your QRS complex, followed by your P wave. Then, paulit-ulit siya. So that is your ECG complex. Okay. The P wave, which is the first hump dito, corresponds to your atrial depolarization. So, ang atrium magdi-depolarize yan, magko-contracted. So, atrial depolarization followed shortly in terms of milliseconds by atrial contraction. Then, this is followed by your QRS complex, which corresponds to your ventricular depolarization. Kakalat kung sinabi natin kanina, electrical impulse, AV bundle, right and left branch, kalat throughout the whole ventricles. That is your ventricular depolarization, which after a few milliseconds should be followed by ventricular contraction. Hindi yan magkakasabay, ha? Baka pagka-depolarize, gano'n ka rin na. Depolarize, depolarize, depolarize. Merong millisecond, let's say 0.06 delay between the electrical activity and the muscular activity. After ventricular depolarization, you have the T wave. After the QRS, T wave, which corresponds to your ventricular repolarization. Magpapahinga na siya. And not seen in this PQRST complex is what? Atrial repolarization, which is hidden somewhere here. Kaya hindi siya makita. This apparently is a bigger event. Yung ventricular contraction mo, ventricular depolarization. Kaya hindi nyo makikita in terms of repolarization, electrical activity, ang atrial repolarization. Important board exam question. Lumalabas yan. Tapos, paulit-ulit lang yan. Mag-delete ang sodium nyo. Okay? Negative 55, negative 60, aakit na negative 40. Ano mangyayari? Depolarization. Mag-P wave, QRST na naman. Ganun na naman. Slow